morning. It's Monday today, vlogging, and welcome to a new vlog. As you guys can see, there's something a little different. I need to do better because I love curtain bangs, and when they're styled right on me, they look really good. But now the way that I did it, my hair's kind of greasy, so that's not helping. She's a new personality. Ugh. I did my little private Pilates session with my teacher trainer, and this is actually my last one that qualifies me to take the beginner exam. It's crazy how these past few months just sped by, and now we're at the point where the exam is right around the corner, and I'm nervous because it's both a multiple choice written exam and then a practical exam where it's like I'm teaching a class and I'm like, I don't know all of the moves. Let's just do like a status check. I would say that I'm like 65% solid on definitely the matte series and the reformer series. It's when we get to the Cadillac and like all the sweeten the deal, I would say I'm like 65% confident in myself that I can teach matte and reformer for sure. It's the other things, like the second half of taking a Pilates class, like a private Pilates class, that's a work in progress. Finished my morning routine, and I just cleaned up a little bit because I do have an appointment today. I'm finally getting my nails done. This place that I'm going to, my friend recommended because they have really cool nail art, and they also have like builder gel and like the Russian gel, which is like supposed to be better. They say it's supposed to be like healthier for your nails, but they said that about gel however long ago, and that literally cracks my nails on the flesh. I'm gonna go to Sweet Green and get some protein. I'm gonna do my build my own salad, and I'm gonna go to Ralph's to get a coffee because I did get a matcha this morning. I'm trying to be better with not having coffee, at least in the morning. I don't think I will ever be able to kick coffee because I just love the flavor, but we also got to be in our wellness era, wellness lifestyle, so we just got to make some adjustments, that's all. So let's do that. They look so cute. I went to Rose Nail Bar. My friend recommended it because she's gone like tons of times and gotten like different nail art, and every time she gets it, it looks so good. I finally went, and they look so cute. Day made. Day was a success. A win is a win. Took a little longer, but honestly, like the cuticle bed, like I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, definitely. iPhone 15. She quality. Highly recommend Rose Nail Bar in Arlington. It's just so good. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.